You want to take one? Go for it. The first one's for you. IMF. Do you see IMF holding crypto assets in the future? I did not put that up there.
Remember, I'm from the legal department. I'm supposed to be very conservative about these things. I don't want to go into great details about
Maybe I should take what the IMF is going to do. I think we stunned Ross into silence with that one.
For that to happen, okay, under the current legal framework, some country would have to use a crypto asset as its currency.
You want to take one? Go for it. The first one's for you.
All right, welcome world. Question of today is, what's tomorrow like? Been a minute since I've got the opportunity to come here and do one for you guys. I wanted to really see, just with the holidays and coming into 2025 with the snake year, what all was gonna happen on the world stage. And yeah, a lot has happened already. We had a president pass away, wildfires out in LA, Hollywood. A lot of people taking a lot of losses in life right now. Be grateful for what you have, and send prayers out to those families that have lost pretty much everything. But there are some pretty decent updates coming into 2025. Really, right now is still a great opportunity for what is going on in the markets. So Uphold posted this. Here's your XRP report for the week. Let's see when this was posted. Yeah, so this was last week. They met with President-elect Trump. Super bullish. The Congress went ahead and gave him the go-ahead to be our president. That happened on the 6th. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and Chief Legal Advisor Stuart Alderati kick off 2025 with a high-profile dinner alongside President-elect Donald Trump. This meeting underscores Ripple's commitment to fostering relationships at the intersection of politics and technology. DZ Bank and Ripple unveiled digital asset custody platform. It's Germany's largest depository bank. DZ Bank has launched an institutional digital asset custody platform in collaboration with Ripple. Key features tailored to institutional clients, focuses on settlement and custody of digital assets under German securities laws. It looks like they're wanting to. Let's see, I got the video right here of DZ Bank. Yeah.
DZ Bank is quite happy, and we're a bit proud that we're one of the first banks in Germany which really built and made their digital custody platform going live. We can serve our clients dealing with settlement and custody of digital assets, focusing on crypto securities according to the German securities law.
Beginning of 2023, we then decided that we should best work together with Ripple Custody.
The need of digital asset is just trying to find optimized processes and new products. And therefore we have to think about new technologies, and DLT and blockchain is one which can help us to serve our clients better.
Digital ledger technology aims at improving existing capital market processes. This is how we see distributed ledger technology. These two processes, distributed ledger as well as existing capital markets business, will coexist the next decades.
Yeah, and it says Customer Spotlight. DZ Bank launched a secure custody solution for tokenized bonds and crypto assets. With Ripple Custody, they're simplifying digital assets management and driving efficiency. So to me, that's just super bullish. I mean, obviously, Ripple's going to have many custody solutions. One being their newest product,
60 seconds.
RLUSD.
I think I'm going to knock it out of the park. I'm Jack McDonald, and this is Crypto in a Minute. Stablecoins, as the name implies, are digital tokens that are designed to be less volatile than other types of cryptocurrencies or digital assets. There are different types of stablecoins. Some are backed by other cryptocurrencies and are going to be inherently more volatile, while others are designed to be more stable, and those are the ones that are really backed by government-backed securities or sovereign-backed securities. So let's think about a US dollar or a euro or a Japanese yen. You give me a dollar or a euro, I give you a digital token representing that dollar or euro. You can do lots of different things with it. You can invest with it, you can save it, you can use it as a store of value. And at the end of the day, when you want that dollar or euro back, you give me the token, I give you the euro. You have the confidence that it's stable, it's retained its value, and it has the same value on the way out as it did on the way in. That's why stablecoins are stable. And I've got a few seconds left.
Yeah, I mean, with that, I don't think anybody is giving a digital dollar to get a physical dollar. I think that's just crazy. I think that's just how they're gonna get people to accept the digital dollar, which it is what it is. I mean, Ripple's playing their role. All right, before we get into the crypto markets here, the DOJ, thank you, good morning, crypto. DOJ is clear to sell $6.5 billion in Bitcoin from the Silk Road asset seizure. If you don't know what the real Silk Road is, I suggest you go back to about middle school and take a history lesson. Silk Road was, back then, during the slave trade, they were trading the silk for slaves into the Middle East. That's how a lot of those got over there. But yeah, it was a kid. He created a website. He is still in jail. I know Trump has talked about pardoning him. We'll see what comes up of that. But yeah, I don't think they're gonna. If they're doing it, I would say they're already doing it, just because the correction that we've seen in the market right now. Yeah, I mean, obviously, Bitcoin down 7.1% on the month, while XRP is up 4.8% on the month. It's been pretty volatile, but every chart's going to be different. But touching that $2 level was super good buying opportunity still. Bitcoin, yeah, Bitcoin traded into 93K during it was Jimmy Carter's funeral, and he was the 39th president, which is the mirror. Got to bring this up for you guys. But today is January's full wolf moon, January 13th, depending where you're at. So the moon will rise in the evening of Monday 13th January. It brings a look at the planet Mars, which is god of war, which will appear as a reddish dot alongside it. The Maine Farmer's Almanac, after the wolf's cries were heard in the depths of winter. So the wolf moon was coined in the 1930s. That's how it got its name. And let's just pull it up at the charts here, so that way we all can bring this and make it sense. Find my chart here. Get this bad boy loaded up here. All right. Sorry, my computer's being super slow. All right. Let's go back here. It is January 28th, 2021. You can look this up. So right here. Look at that. Nice little correction into it, and then off to the races. And then, obviously came back down, tested it as support, and then went onward again on this full moon. And then that was your double top into Q4. So this is Q1 up into April. That was it. Higher lows. Went into some lower lows here a little bit. Nice M pattern though. Super bullish on that. And then as you got into January of 2022, you had a little bit of Q1 to play with, and then that was it. The bull run was over. Still bullish momentum though through the bear market, just where Bitcoin was, just in general. But as we see here, zoom in a bit on the macro. I mean, these candles are. I mean, that wick is just disgusting. Where'd it go down to? Touching 89, 90. I mean, just wrecking a bunch of longs essentially. Let's go check out XRP. Yeah, it's just sitting in this nice little channel here. Looks like it's breaking above this past resistance, closing a little bit above that, which is super good. I'm looking for like $2.70. I think that would be great. But with all that being said, so with it being the 13th, the full moon, the wolf moon, the number 13 brings me back to this. Sorry, I have so many tabs open, it's insane. You go. Or something. All right, yeah, but with the 13 being significant right here, XRP in the gematria calculator is 58. 5 plus 8 is 13. And then we have the Holy Trinity. The next day would be the 14th. Then going into the inauguration, which would be the 20th of January. It in the middle of the Davos meeting, which is the 20th to the 24th. You have 22 here and 23 being the middle dates of that. But yeah, that's just what I see. But I do have quite a few updates here. If anybody has seen my X account, there's definitely some updates. I did meet a great community. Everybody loves to call me WTL or Tomorrow. Super cool. Appreciate the nicknames. But the YouTube wise, nothing has changed. I'm still me. But I did get into the meme scene and the NFT scene. I feel like there's just too much opportunity in these markets right now. So this is one of the collections I really like. Just came out. I was able to mint one of these for 30 XRP because I hold a ultra rare bear. Shout out to my boy Apex. He should be coming on tomorrow. Talk more about this in depth. But yeah, it's just a really really bullish project. I feel like if anybody knows the bearable guy, 123, he is the epitome of this project. Everybody calls him Bear Satoshi because nobody knows who he is. 108,000 followers, super bullish. But yeah, he likes putting out all these riddles with the bear and you know, the knights and all that stuff, and people love decoding it. A lot of people are saying that this gentleman right here is Brad Garlinghouse. Kind of looks like it to me too. Um, but yeah, that's pretty much the only update on the X side and where I'm at with my investment. Um, I did do a couple of cool things for the community. Um, so I have obviously my T-shirts, but I wanted to create something different, so I came out with a couple of things here. Um, I decided to design, you know, custom NFT shirts for the group. Right now, I am running a Wolf Moon sale for the full moon. Um, this was probably my favorite one, obviously, because it's my NFT, but it's you know, got the background deleted. Just really looks good. Got the YouTube logo on the back. I love it. I'm super bullish. This is my boy Coiners. And if you guys aren't bullish on NFTs, I mean, it's out in the open. This NFT went for, even to say, like 20 grand. We'll just say that. $20,000 XRP NFT for a bear. Stay bullish. You'd be surprised the opportunities you can make. But yeah, with all that, really it's just still great buying opportunities. I mean, I've been buying like, I think this was at like $5 yesterday. Yeah, 560. I mean, look at still down 20% in the month, 24% on the year. Got a nice market cap, about to touch $1 billion. This is a project that I hold, Axe Infinity. I think it'll do something this run. Chart looks good. Caspa, I've been doing good buys. I mean, we're sitting right down on the yearly, monthly down 24%. Super bullish. V-Chain's kind of, I don't know how much more it's got left to move, but we'll see. I think it could hit 20 something dollars, maybe even higher. But yeah, wanted to come here and give you guys a little update. Hope everybody's staying safe out there. You know, with all the chaos in the world, make sure you're spending time with your family, especially now that the holidays are over. But yeah, stay bullish, friends, and I hope this Wolf Moon brings you guys incredible gains.